All right, y'all, welcome back to another episode of Soul Food. I'm your guy Almighty, and today we bringing you the New Balance 997. Now, I have to be real with you. This is a pair that I had on ice for 7 years, maybe 6 years, 6 to 7 years, and it was actually a gift to me. But right now, I'm bringing you the ugliest shoe that I have on ice right now. Welcome to the New Balance 997, the Donald Duck feet. I hate these shoes. This is the worst silhouette to me that New Balance has. These long, nasty, ugly ass shoes. I hate them. Colorway's lit though, I gotta admit. Colorway's lit. The lace materials is lit. This is a good shoe as far as that's concerned. I mean, even the materials on it is it's quality, but like overall, this is just a long, nasty shoe that I'll never wear unless I'm like, I don't even know. I can't even think of somewhere where I would wear this shoe. And to be honest, the color is beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colorway. I wish it was made in USA, but it's not. This is a Vietnam one. But we gotta work with what we gotta work with. Like I said, this was a gift given to me. I'm appreciative of the gift, but like, nah, this is not it. And now that runners are popular, niggas is just throwing on any runner that they could get their hands on, and that's not me. I had these for 7 years. They've been sitting on ice. So today I wanted to bring you not only shoes that I like, but bring you shoes that I got sitting on ice that I don't like. So we're gonna be doing a lot of different things with my Soul Food channel, bringing you shit from the collection, bringing you shoes I don't like, bringing you shoes that I'm selling. Yo, for anybody that want these, I don't even know if I should sell them. I'm bugging. Fuck it. Anybody that want these is a size 10. If you want them, I'll sell them to you for dirt cheap. I'm not really trying to keep them like that, but let's get into the actual review. So what we got here is full grain suede. Navy blue suede. Look how beautiful that is. Navy blue meshing on the toe box. Nice little teal large embroidery, huh? Look at that large branding. I like that idea that they did it like that. I don't know if all 997s have that large branding like that, but that's lit. I like how they did that. Hit it with the teal or the aqua. Gave it a little gray hit around the ankle. Little white meshing around the ankle, white meshing on the heel tab, a little bit of branding on the heel tab, that NB branding, insole, got a little hit in there. The gray hit right here I thought was reflective, but it's not, but it does have a little bit of a little crackling effect going on. White mesh on the tongue, nice durable laces, real soft laces. Hit you with the accents here. Midsole's durable, nice and thick. For all y'all that know the 997s have that midsole that's real durable. I don't know if it's supposed to be this color white or it's just because I had them for a little bit, but yeah, it's a little bit off white. It's not as bright white as the meshing, because I would say that this is more of a bright white, like the laces and the meshing, but it is what it is. Yeah. Not too bad. Like I said, the colorway is beautiful, but outside of that, the shoe itself is ugly. The silhouette is nasty work. But that's the New Balance 997, navy blue and teal, or aqua, depending on. Some guys are colorblind. I don't know what you guys see it as, and it doesn't say it on the box, but I'm gonna go with teal. So that's the navy blue, teal, white, New Balance 997. I'm your guy Almighty, and I'm out of here.